Summertime brings sunshine, beach trips, and outdoor adventures. While basking in the sun, protecting your skin from harmful UV rays with sunscreen is essential. However, have you ever noticed those frustrating sunscreen stains on your car's interior or exterior surfaces? These stains, caused by accidental spills or transfers, can be quite stubborn and unsightly. But fear not, for in this guide, we will explore effective methods to remove sunscreen stains from your car, leaving it looking pristine once again. Understanding sunscreen stains. Before delving into the removal methods, it's crucial to understand what causes sunscreen stains. Sunscreen contains a combination of oils, emollients, and UV-blocking chemicals. When sunscreen comes into contact with your car's surfaces, it can leave behind greasy, sticky residues that adhere firmly. These residues can be particularly problematic in hot weather, as they may become more adhesive and difficult to remove over time. The key to successfully removing sunscreen stains from your car is to act promptly. The longer the stains sit, the more challenging they can become to eliminate. Whether it's your car's leather seats, fabric upholstery, or exterior paint, we've got you covered with effective solutions. Removing sunscreen stains from leather seats. Gather your supplies. To remove sunscreen stains from leather seats, you will need mild dish soap, warm water, a soft cloth or sponge, and a leather conditioner. Test in an inconspicuous area. Before applying any cleaning solution, test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the leather to ensure it doesn't cause any damage or discoloration. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water to create a soapy solution. Blot the stain. Dip the soft cloth or sponge into the soapy solution and gently blot the sunscreen stain. Do not rub vigorously, as this could damage the leather. Rinse and dry. Wipe away the soapy residue with a clean, damp cloth and then dry the leather with a soft, dry cloth. Condition the leather. After cleaning, apply a leather conditioner to keep the leather moisturized and prevent it from drying out or cracking. Before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Removing sunscreen stains from fabric upholstery. Gather your supplies. You will need a fabric stain remover, a soft cloth or sponge, and warm water. Test in an inconspicuous area. As with leather, test the fabric stain remover in a hidden spot to ensure it won't harm the upholstery. Apply the stain remover. Dampen the stained area with warm water and then apply the fabric stain remover according to the product's instructions. Blot the stain. Gently blot the sunscreen stain with a soft cloth or sponge, working from the outside of the stain toward the center. Avoid scrubbing vigorously to prevent spreading the stain. Rinse and dry. After treating the stain, rinse the area thoroughly with clean water and blot it dry with a clean cloth. Repeat if necessary. Stubborn stains may require multiple treatments. If the stain persists, repeat the process until it is completely gone. Removing sunscreen stains from exterior paint. Gather your supplies. You will need a car wash soap, a microfiber cloth, a soft bristle brush, and a car wax or polish. Wash the car. Begin by washing the affected area of your car with car wash soap and warm water. Use a microfiber cloth or mitt to gently scrub the area. Inspect for stains. After washing, inspect the area for any remaining sunscreen stains. Spot treatment. If stains persist, apply a small amount of car wax or polish to the stained area and gently rub in a circular motion using a soft bristle brush. Rinse and dry. Rinse the area thoroughly with clean water and then dry it with a clean, dry cloth. Wax the car. To restore the car's shine and protect it from future stains, wax the entire vehicle. General tips for sunscreen stain removal. Act quickly. The sooner you address sunscreen stains, the easier they are to remove. Don't let them sit for too long. Use gentle methods. Be gentle when cleaning your car's surfaces, especially when dealing with leather or fabric. Aggressive scrubbing can cause damage. Test first. Always test any cleaning or stain removal product in an inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't cause harm. Regular maintenance. Consider using a car interior protectant or fabric guard to prevent future stains from adhering as strongly. Professional help. If stains persist despite your efforts, it may be wise to seek professional detailing services to avoid causing further damage. Enjoying the sun is one of the best parts of summer, and protecting your skin with sunscreen is essential. However, accidental sunscreen stains on your car can be frustrating. Fortunately, with the right techniques and supplies, you can effectively remove these stains from your car's interior and exterior surfaces. Remember to act quickly, be gentle in your cleaning approach, and, if needed, seek professional help to ensure your car remains in pristine condition. By following these tips, you can enjoy a stain-free and sun-filled summer on the road. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.